Welcome to session 3 of the lesson, Games We Play. In the last session we learnt about several traditional Indian games played outdoor and indoor. Let's answer the following questions from textbook. Write the names of all the games mentioned in the lesson in the table below. Complete all the fields of the table.
Langri Tang is an outdoor game played with 3 or more players. It requires play area with the markings. Hide and Seek is an outdoor game played with 2 or more players. It requires an open area to move around and hide. 7 Tiles is an outdoor game played with 2 teams. Each team can have 2 or more players. It requires a play area, 7 tiles, and a ball. Kabaddi is an outdoor game played with 2 teams. Each team can have a maximum of 7 players. It requires just play area with markings.
Gilli Danda is an outdoor game played with 3 or more players. It requires a play area along with Gilli Danda made with wooden stick. Kite flying is an outdoor game that can be played individually. It requires kite, thread, and an open field to fly the kite. Making kite is an interesting art and there are varieties of kites that can be made with just sticks, gum and paper. Hopscotch is an outdoor game played with 2 or more players. It requires tipi and a play area with markings.
We listed all the outdoor games. Now let us list all the indoor games mentioned.
Chess is an indoor game played by 2 players. It requires a chess board with pawns. House is an indoor game played by 2 or more small children. Dolls and small utensils can be used as part of the play. Carom is an indoor game played by 2 or 4 players. It requires carom board with pawns. Ludo is an indoor game played by 2 or 4 players. It requires Ludo board with pawns.
Do you play any game similar to hopscotch? What do you call it? Draw the figure that you make to play the game in the space below.
Yes, we play a similar game and is called Kunte Bille in Kannada. Kunte is hopping on single leg and Bille is tipi. We draw the play area and boxes bid differently as shown. Player has to make full round as shown by the arrow. He or she is allowed to drop his leg only in crossed boxes. If player or tipi touches the lines, the player is out.
Do you play some games with your family members? Which games and with whom?
I play games called Chauka Barar and at Gully Man with my grandma. With my mother I play carom. My father teaches me chess. Yes, Chauka Barar is more like Ludo, and at Gully Man requires you to have good memory and to be good in maths.
How many games do you know which we play with a ball? Write their names in the ball.
We play cricket, basketball, tennis, football, and volleyball with ball.
Have you heard of Sania Mirza? She also plays a ball game. Find out which one and write its name.
Yes, she plays tennis.
Match the riddles with the pictures. Write the name of the game in the given space.
Small and colored are these glass balls. To win the game you have to aim with them all. This is marble game also called goli locally. I have more than 100 goalies that I have won from my friends. If you land on a snake, do not frown. In this game you go up and down. This one is snake and ladder. My little sister is always lucky and she wins. It has no wings, but it can fly high up in the sky. This is kite flying. I enjoy making kites and flying it at the outskirts of my town. Keeping the kite stable with long tail is really funny.
On the board are squares black and white. There's the king, the queen and the knight. This is chess. I am still trying to learn all movements. Knight movement is always puzzling. King, queen, ace and jack, 52 of them make a pack. There are variety of games played with a deck of cards. My mother says bridge is a very intelligent card game like chess. 4s and 6s if you can get, a century is sure, I can bet. Oh, this is cricket. I wish I can become like Virat Kohli one day.
Color the pictures which show what your family members do in their free time.
My grandma is a bookworm. She reads a lot of story books in her free time. My mother likes doing embroidery. My sister loves to dance. She goes every week to her dance classes.
My grandma loves chatting with all the neighbors. We have to forcefully pull her out. My chacha loves gardening. He spends hours with pots in front of our house. I am very fond of drawing and singing as well. We learnt in this session about classical Indian indoor games. With this we come to the end of this session. Don't miss the next session where we shall learn about famous Indian sports personalities.